Hari Om, Namaste. Welcome to Swami Vivekananda Yoga Trust channel. Today we are going to learn yoga for beginners. Are you looking for how to do yoga and what is the basic practices? If you are searching for that, this video is for you. As a beginner of yoga, you don't go for direct standing Surya Namaskaras. Okay, if your body is very flexible, then only you can continue the practices of standing Surya Namaskaras. Otherwise, we'll start with the chair Surya Namaskaras in the starting. After doing few days, you can continue with standing Surya Namaskara. 1. Take your both hands above your head, slowly bend back as much as you can. Bend your head, take your hands back, bend your spine as much as you can. 2. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Either place your palms besides of your feet or place your palms on your feet. If you are having hypertension or high blood pressure, don't bend your head completely down. Just instead of that, you can look forward. 3. Take your right leg up, interlock your fingers and hold your right shin. Bend back, bend your head back. And exhale. 4. Touch your chin to your knee. 5. Release your leg, release your hands. And once again inhale. Take your hands above your head, bend back. 6. Exhale, slowly bend down. Place your palms besides of your feet or on your feet. Look forward. 7. Take your left leg up. Hold your left knee or left shin. Place your heel on the chair. Bend back with inhalation. And 8. Exhale. Touch your chin to your knee if possible. Then 9. Release your hands and leg. Once again take your hands above your head. 10. Exhale. Slowly bend forward. Either place your palms on your toes or your feet. Look forward. Then inhale back to Namaskara Sthiti. So this is complete one round of chair Surya Namaskar. Inhale, slowly bend back as much as you can. Stretch your hands, open your chest, head back. Exhale from the lower back. Place your palms besides of your feet or on your feet. Lengthen your spine, look forward. 3. Right leg up. Place your heel on the chair. Interlock your fingers, hold your shin. Touch your thigh to your abdomen, knee towards your chest and slowly bend back. Head hanging freely. 4. Exhale, touch your chin to your knee. Then inhale. Once again take your hands above your head, slowly bend back. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Then inhale, take your left leg up, bend back. Exhale, touch your chin to your knee. Then inhale, take your hands above your head, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Let's come back to Namaskar Sthiti. Okay, so this is second round. Like this you can continue for 10 rounds minimum. Try to synchronize with your breathing process. Okay, 1, 2, bend forward. 3, inhale. 4, exhale. 5, inhale. 6, exhale. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 10, exhale. Back to Namaskara Sthiti. Then release your hands. Relax. Either relax in chair or in Shavasana. So after completing the relaxation, let's come to standing posture. So after doing the loosening practices and chair Surya Namaskaras, let's go for asana, some basic asanas. Okay, so in these basic asanas we'll start with Ardha Kati Chakrasana. In the Ardha Kati Chakrasana, join your both legs together, hands by the sides of your body. Just raise your hand sideways up to shoulder level, palm facing to the floor. Further inhalation, twist your palm facing to the roof. Take your hand above your head. Bring your hand perpendicular to the ground. Give a nice stretch with inhalation, and while you are exhaling, slowly bend towards your left side. As much as you can, just bend towards left hand hanging freely on your left thigh or your left leg. Touch your right biceps to your ear. Close your eyes and maintain there as long as you can. Stay there. Minimum 10 counts. After completing 10 counts, slowly with inhalation, back to the center. Give a nice stretch once again. Then while you are exhaling, bring your hand down. Twist your palm. Further exhalation, drop your hand down. We'll do the same practice with the left side of your body. While you are inhaling, slowly lift your left hand up to shoulder level. Twist your palm for the inhalation. Take your hand above your head. Once again, give a nice stretch. And as you exhale, bend towards your right side. If you are not enough flexible, you just bend as much as you can. This is also fine. Okay, instead of going this much, you can just be there and do the practice. Maintain there. As long as you can, stay there with normal breathings. Minimum 10 counts. Then slowly inhale back to center. Give a nice stretch, and while you are exhaling, bring your hand up to shoulder level. Twist your palm facing to the floor. Further exhalation, completely drop your hand down. Then relax. Apart your legs, apart your hands. So there is no limitations, specific limitations for this practice. If those who are having severe shoulder pain, you can just avoid this practice. Otherwise, you can do the practice. Now, we'll go for the practice of Ardha Chakrasana. In the Ardha Chakrasana, come to Sthiti. Join your both legs together, hands by the sides of your body. Now place your both the palms on your waist. As you inhale, slowly bend back as much as you can. Okay, push your hips forward. Do not bend your knees. Open your chest. Roll your shoulders back. Hang your head freely. If you are feeling giddiness, then you can come back to the center. Otherwise, close your eyes or open your eyes and stay there as long as you can. Minimum 10 counts in your mind, and slowly while you are exhaling, back to the center. Then release your hands, release your legs, then relax. Observe the changes in your spine, in your abdomen, in your back and your neck. People, those who are having epilepsy, they can avoid this practice. Now we'll go for the practice of Padahastasana. Take your hands up to shoulder level, and further inhalation, hands above your head. Give a nice stretch throughout the body, and while you are exhaling, just bend from your lower back. Try to keep your spine, your hands straight. Bend forward. If you are more flexible, then you can bend completely and place your both the palms besides of your feet or hold your toes. If possible, touch your chin or your forehead to your knees. Stay there for 10 counts minimum. After completing, maintain. Slowly take your both the hands up to waist region. Then further inhalation, back to center. And while you are exhaling, slowly drop your hands down. Okay. So, the people, those who are having heart problems, spinal disorders, they can just avoid this practice. Now we'll go for the practice of Trikonasana. In the Trikonasana, let's come to Sthiti. Join your legs together, hands by the sides of the body. Now spread your both the legs. Take minimum 1 meter gap, or as per your height you can spread your both the legs. And take your both hands up to shoulder level. This is simple Trikonasana. In this simple practice, you just hands up to shoulder level, parallel to the ground, palm facing to the floor. Inhale, and while you are exhaling, slowly bend your body towards the right side. Try to keep your hands and your chest in a straight line. Bend towards your right side. Try to keep your hands in a straight line. Okay. Now place your right palm on your right leg wherever it is possible and observe the stretching. Look towards your left fingers. Make sure that you are both the hands and your chest in a straight line. You are observing your left tip of the fingers as much as you can. Don't bend forward or backward, and don't bend your knees. The same way, inhale back to center. After holding for 10 seconds, come back to center, and exhale, go to the another side. Slowly bend towards your left side. If you are flexible up to here, you can continue here only, no problem. Okay, so day by day you just increase that flexibility and you can go for complete Trikonasana. Look towards your right fingers, then slowly maintain there for 10 counts, then back to center and exhale. Drop your hands down, then fold your one leg, join your both legs together, then relax. Observe your sides of the body. While you are doing this practice, you just focus on the sides of the body and observe the flexibility of your spine. Okay, so one more simple practice, Tadasana. In the Tadasana, join your legs together, keep your hands by the sides of the body, interlock your fingers, place your palms on your chest, open your eyes and gaze at any point in front of you. Just look at any point. While you are inhaling, stretch your both the hands above your head, and at the same time raise your heels up, stretch your both the ankles. Try to stand on your both the toes completely. Try to stand on your toes. Balance your body on your toes and maintain there as long as you can. No movements in the body. Stay there up to 10 counts or 20 counts as per your comfort you can. And while you are exhaling, slowly bring your heels down, bring your palms towards your chest. Then release your hands. Release your legs.